Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic into your everyday. I'm Chelsea, and today is our last summer vlog. When you're watching this, I am already back in school. I have mixed emotions about this. I thought that after spending 6 months with Callie, just like the two of us during the week together with activities and homeschooling and summertime fun, I thought that I would be in a place where going back to work was like almost a relief, because instead of having to juggle, bless you, instead of having to juggle being a mom, teaching Callie's preschool lessons, and doing my own schoolwork on top of the Fairy Tale family, I would really just be focused on one thing at a time. But it's bittersweet. I'm going to miss her. Oh, and look, there she is. So I know I'm going to be happy to be back in my classroom, but there are mixed emotions in not being home every day. I love our morning time. Anyway, today's vlog, not only is it the last summer vlog, but to celebrate our summer together, we do have a giveaway for you that is starting today. So all of the information for the giveaway is going to be linked in the description box below, so make sure you click to open that. But you do have to be subscribed here, and then once you follow all the steps in the description box, you have to comment something specific on the video. So all of that information will be linked below. And this week, Callie and I didn't pull a stick because it was a busy summer week. So we're just going to take you through really how we prepare for the end of summer and what it might be like to transition back to school. So if you're a parent, if you're in that boat with kiddos, here are some of the things that we do to get ready to conquer an amazing school year, regardless of if you're remote, if you're hybrid, if you're in person. I know there's a lot of unknowns this year for school, so it makes me feel better to prepare in advance. Enjoy the video. So my sister and I always do like a really big grocery shop we have a place here in the Northeast called BJ's, and it's like a wholesale club. So I want to show you everything we got for like back to school shopping, mostly for things like lunches and breakfasts and basics. So let me show you what we got. And I went to Trader Joe's again this week, so I'll show you that too. Okay, so I had a coupon for almost everything in this pile. So we start with things that are gonna be easy for Callie and I both to take for lunch snacks. She'll probably get these and I'll get those, which is exciting. She requested, now we don't typically buy like fruit cups, but it's 100% juice. She loves peaches and mixed fruit. I feel like this will be a good addition in her little kid lunchbox as well. These are a favorite for her, and I did have a coupon for them. We love the Annie's brand. These are strictly for me. There are 9 in here. I didn't know there were that many. And these are like perfect lunch portions for me. So I may take those to school and just leave them in my desk. She got to pick the flavor of yogurt for her breakfast at daycare. We have gone through a huge bag of rice this summer because we eat a lot of bowls, like steak bowls, chicken bowls, veggie bowls, whatever, and we always add rice to it. So I bought another big box of rice because Mark loves it. Staple necessity, so much string cheese. We've never had these before, but they're mini little guacamole pouches. They're not pouches, they're like little guacamole cups. And I am personally very excited to be taking those to work. Callie loves what she calls a mix-up for lunch, which is like for example, this would be like some pepperoni, string cheese, some Ritz crackers, like kind of like a Lunchables, but I think probably healthier because there's less sodium and more fruits and veggies. Holy Cheerios. We got 2 huge family-sized boxes for breakfast. Callie picked these out. She prefers like the red seedless to the green. This is not a BJ's purchase. This is actually for my husband from Chick-fil-A. It is the unsweetened iced tea jug. He's in the background. I think he's very excited he's excited about that. Something we always have in the fridge are these like applesauce pouches. I had a coupon for these, loves them, and they're clear so you can see, but you can also write little messages on them. These are for my breakfast. So there's 30 grams of protein in these like 12-ounce bottles. This is a perfect breakfast for me. And then these are the staples. You know, toilet paper, of course. So much paper towel. Even though I did just order from Grove Collaborative, these like squeezy types of paper that are, I'm not explaining them right. They're almost like towels that are supposed to replace your use of paper towels. So really we're trying to get better at using less of these. These, I love this. They're 100% recyclable. They're paper bags and they each come with a sticker. So that way you can recycle them instead of tossing them out like plastic bags. And of course, laundry detergent. I'm gonna put, or at least try to put this away and then show you. And then I'll show you what came from Trader Joe's. So some of this is a Trader Joe's and some of this just got moved into the Trader Joe's bag. Butter from BJ's and a jug of vitamins also from BJ's. But then the rest of this very tiny Trader Joe's order was out of convenience. These are amazing. The spicy ones, I got us more of these, Mark. The spicy ones. And I found, look, non-spicy ones. He does not seem excited. That's fine. Raspberries for Cal. And then last time we were at Trader Joe's, I usually let her like pick the juice and she picked some disgusting juice with banana in it. This is the fresh squeezed orange juice. I personally am excited about that. Also, a Trader Joe's staple. These are incredible because they have chocolate on one side. A breakfast favorite for Callie. We got the last ones there at the store. Some bacon, a backup of unexpected cheddar cheese, and then for my husband who doesn't seem excited about the corn dippers, he's very excited about these. We've fallen in love with these recently. So that is all of the groceries for the next couple of weeks. So I do hope that you'll pull away some of these techniques, or maybe you even brought us with you. You know, I really like to do my grocery lists, fold laundry, even when I'm like getting ready to some extent. I really like to just have YouTube videos or podcasts on in the background to check in with channels that I love. So if you needed some inspiration to clean out a closet, to get your kiddos' backpacks ready, to make a grocery list, to unload the dishwasher, whatever your chore may be, maybe we can be some inspiration for that. I really hope you enter the giveaway. It's going to run for probably a week, maybe 10 days, but I'll make sure in the description box that there will be an end date as well. And that's it, friends. Until next summer, just kidding. We'll have another video for you, at least on Monday, but likely before then. Hint, hint. But you know, we're gonna continue to come out with content week to week, but I am sad to leave our summer vlogs behind because they've been really fun to film. Thank you so much for being here as always. We love you and we hope you had a magical summer. Bye everybody.